Delirious.
What?
Delirious.
What?
What? Hey.
Oh my God! What the fuck? Man!
What up?
That is not how you drive a boat.
It is now.
Yeah.
What? Hey.
Get the fuck off of my boat.
Oh yeah, where you gonna go? Where you gonna go?
Oh, I'm going places. No!
Cool guys, don't look at explosions.
Do you accept?
Accept what? Oh,
I sent you an exception.
I accept.
Shit.
You.
Go!
Fuck you! Stop
Go!
shooting me!
What do you mean stop shooting you? What are you talking about? Yeah.
No!
I'm in the lead.
Motherfucker!
Where you at? Yeah, this is a 1v1 situation. 1v1 situation. Oh shit.
The fuck are you?
Where you at, huh?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Are you sniping?
Where you at? No.
Fucking sniping?
No, I'm not sniping you.
Ow! You are!
I'm not sniping nobody. I'm not. What are you looking at, huh? Oh shit. Oh shit. No! I dodged it. Yeah, come on. Zoom in. Ow!
Come on, die!
You die! No!
Yeah!
No!
Yes! Yeah.
We may have lost the lead. We're tied. Vanos versus Delirious. Delirious versus Vanos. One comes out in the victory.
Motherfucker.
One comes out in the lead.
No!
You better dodge and weave. Dodge and weave.
Oh my god. Oh my god! That was so close!
Close.
No!
That is what's close. You're deaf.
Deaf? Yes!
Shit!
Yeah!
Alright, I'll give you credit for that one.
Yeah. Oh shit! You're back!
You mean? Oh, he's back!
Wait, did I get you?
We killed each other!
Yes, I see that. Okay, it's close. Oh shit!
What?
Oh shit!
Alright, give me a better weapon. Oh, I like this one. I just need to get close.
Close. You ain't getting close?
Again, happy 4th of July, motherfucker.
Oh!
Shit, that's not fair!
What do you mean? It is fair.
That's not fair!
It is fair.
No! That's not fair!
Yeah,
right.
fireworks versus miniguns, very fair.
Alright, let's go. Where you at?
I'm gonna fight you.
You just need one more
I'm gonna
kill.
fight you
Holy
like a
shit.
man.
You're gonna fight me?
Fight you like a man.
Fight me, Are you trying to melee me, you son of a bitch? I see that. You at?
Nowhere.
I see you're camping in the bushes.
Yeah, come at me.
So,
I'm gonna fight you like a man. I'm gonna fight you like a man.
No! Oh, I thought, what was that gun in your hand? What was that?
It was a melee weapon.
Don't shoot. I'm gonna shoot him in the head. I had to shoot that poor man in the head just so I could aim at you. No. Yeah, get down. Alright. Oh, God! You motherfucker! How'd you see me?
I got you through the bush. Yeah.
Oh,
I got,
you just won, didn't you? Yeah.
I got owl vision.
Wow. I was switching to an RPG. It just got domed. You there, sir! You in the owl mask. You, sir.
Who?
You.
This is not a mask. This is real.
Would you like to ride my beautiful motorcycle?
Yes.
Yes. Ride it well. Go to the stars. Go to the moon.
All right.
everywhere.
Let's do this.
Yes. You know, show everybody the owls can fly.
Spread my wings.
Show everybody the owls can fly.
Yeah.
Go high. Yeah.
Ah! What the fuck?
Oh,
That's right.
damn it.
I came prepared. Oh shit.
Damn it.
Seems fun to ride.
Hey, get off my bike.
No, I'm.
What the hell you doing? Did you just destroy my bike? No, you destroyed my
No, it's
bike.
fine. I just parked it. I actually didn't mean to do that. I thought I could make. Look at this tiny ass puddle.
I can't even run over there in time to save it. Look at me. No, you ruined my bike in this little ass water. What?
I didn't know I was gonna die. Look how shallow it is.
How the fuck is my mechanic on?
Oh my. Shit.
You lost
That
your
was
motorcycle.
crazy.
That was crazy, dude.
Did you see me?
No, I didn't.
Yo, I went so high. Hey, Delirious, you gotta do the same thing. You gotta take
do
this
it?
jump, but don't.
This one right
Yeah,
here?
yeah, yeah. Boom!
No, that jump.
Yeah, wasn't that awesome?
You know what, I'm getting out of here. Fuck you.
You're not gonna make
you.
that jump.
I lived!
Holy shit.
What the hell was that? I gotta do that again. Delirious goes in for a second time. Will he survive? Will he survive? Will he fuck?
Will he fuck?
Let me try.
Alright. Go ahead.
Ha-bam!
There you go. You died instantly. And my motorcycle's at the top of the mountain. Wow. Hey, what?
Yo,
I'm going down.
I thought you were flying.
I'm
Oh, there you
swooping,
are. I
man.
see you.
Oh, I'm going through the TV.
No way. Me too.
I did it. Yeah.
I did it too! I did it too!
Wow.
Yeah! We did it for the
damn
first
champions!
time unintentionally. Yeah. Oh god,
Oh,
I
shit.
ran into a wall.
Vanos, come in here. I found a wonderful playland. It's very shocking.
Wait, what is this?
Place, it's very shocking. It's a shocking playland.
Oh,
Fun and joy.
nice. Oh wait, I know this is from the slasher game mode.
Oh, is it? Is this place like? Is it? Oh my god! Is it new though? Like I swear I've never seen this place. Look, Vanos, you don't want to make any sudden movements. This is the most dangerous stunt I have ever did in my life. Most dangerous stunt.
Okay.
If you take one false step, you might just climb down just like that.
Yeah.
But can you go back and forth like a real man? Hmm? Can you play with the?
That was a sick stunt.
We need a contestant. We need someone to stand in the front seat. Is everybody ready to see if this works? It probably won't work.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, so I'm gonna shoot Moo,
What?
and before his dead body disappears, I'm gonna get in a car and start driving.
Go, go, go.
Okay.
Where'd you go?
Me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me!
All right, what are you doing? Are you doing some street magic?
Yeah, street magic. That's called the levitating car. Watch. It's gonna be
It
amazing.
requires a dead person.
Yes.
Oh, and it
Didn't land
didn't
right.
work, so you just killed somebody and just drove away.
Let's try again. Let's try one more again.
I need another volunteer!
All right.
Here we go, magic trick.
Magic trick.
I'm gonna fall out the side.
Why isn't it working?
Trying to justify murdering people in the middle of the streets.
And for my next trick, mass genocide!
Vanos, get in first seat. Get in first seat. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna drive down the road, and his body fell out. Fuck.
Breaking news. New street magician murders 20 people while trying to perform a trick that never worked.
It works.
Hey, what's your magician name?
The great Truckdini.
I'm getting into the driver's seat now.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go. Here it is. This is the one.
Perfect.
This is the one. And he just drove away with a dead body.
The toll count of the Great Truckdini continues.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna walk forward. All right, I'm in the floorboard.
He's
Come on,
in.
baby. Come on.
Go.
Please work. Please work. Please fucking. Oh! It's working! It's working! It fucking worked! Yeah! Yeah, the great Houdini is
missed it.
back! He is back!
And Delirious missed it.
The magic truck is stuck on the roof.
We need a magic helicopter.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Look, I'm a boss. What a play!
What's up?
Hey,
Great,
a little
Houdini.
credit
Show us
here.
how
Come
it's
on.
done.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was incredible. The pink horse delivers.
Shit. Wow.
You just did him dirty.
Oh, look, free money.
What a dickhead! God damn it!
All right, how'd you guys do it? How'd you guys do it?
Die, Brock, die! Die, Brock,
Brock,
die!
shot.
Yay!
Why?
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
Yes!
Yeah! Moo's body! Moo's body went on the roof! Moo's body fell all the way on top of the roof. That shit was awesome.
Oh, I wish I was recording that in theater.
Moo, are you okay? Up there.
Okay, it works. Right.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just give me a few minutes.
I have to go fix the doors. Are we gonna be able to do this? Oh, looking good. Looking good. Oh, looking good. Like it. Like the angle.
Yeah.
There it
Perfect.
is.
Okay, let me get out. Let me get out first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, hold on. What if I get into the car now?
It worked! Yeah!
Back to the future!
Oh.
So hard. The reverse is so fast.
We don't have the technology that they had in
Okay.
Back to the Future.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. What was that? What was that?
I'm good.
What did we do?
I jumped out of the car and it slammed.
Why, you're not
down.
supposed to jump out of the car.
God damn it, Delirious!
Delirious, see this?
Okay.
See
Yeah.
this? That's your fault.
I'm sorry. There you go. You got us locked in place. There you go. Let's go. We're ready. To infinity. And delete. Who the hell puts a damn fence like that around the golf course?
All golf courses.
Who do they try to keep out?
People like you.
People like you.
Don't pay.
I don't wanna